Ndewo. Welcome to the Ilu of the week, the proverb of the week. This week we have the proverb that says, Ijiji na-enweghi onye ndụmọdụ, na-eso ozu ala n'imi. Ijiji na-enweghi onye ndụmọdụ, na-eso ozu ala n'imi. Ozu is corpse, dead body. So, the fly, without an advisor, without a counselor, without a guide, enters the grave with the corpse. One who doesn't have anyone to advise him, or rather who doesn't heed to advice, runs into destruction. So, don't be that fly who doesn't listen to advice. Ijiji na-enweghi onye ndụmọdụ, na-eso ozu ala n'imi. Daalụ. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget, Proverbs will be coming your way on this channel every week. So, hit that subscribe button so you join us every week as we bring your way more Proverbs. Don't forget, Igbo people and Proverbs, they are like this. You don't speak Igbo without a proverb, because ilu bụ mmanụ ndị Igbo ji eri okwu. They eat their words with proverbs. Daalụ.